Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to create and execute shell script file in AlmaLinux 8 operating system. So shell script file is nothing but it's similar to a batch execution file in Windows. So it contains set of commands. Okay, so you can write some set of commands and tasks. Okay, first I am showing how to create that file using Vim editor. I am creating one file, Vim welcome.sh. So shell script file should end with the extension .sh. Okay, please keep in mind. Now I am typing some commands here. So I am typing some list of commands. Okay, echo is a command. Okay, and now I am typing cat command, where I am going to grab the pretty name of this operating system. Okay, so save the file. So very simple file I have created. Okay, so you can see that welcome.sh shell script file is got created. So while giving ls command, ls-ltr, you can see that there is no execution permission was set here. Okay, so execution permission is mandatory for shell script file. So this is the command to set the execution permission for shell script file, chmod +x welcome.sh. So now you can see that execution permission is got set and file color also changed to green color. Okay, now let me show you the how to execute it. So this is a simple way, /welcome.sh, that's it. Another way, sh is a command used to execute the shell script file, sh welcome.sh, that's it. Once again I show you / and sh command. Okay, / shell script name, sh space shell script name, that's it. So this is the way we need to create and execute shell script in AlmaLinux 8 operating system.